Yeah, Joel, as you said, that is definitely part of the equation, running a presidential campaign in addition to the polling for president. Obviously, the fundraising also part of the equation, both the Biden campaign and the Trump campaign. I expected to see one of the most expensive races for president and obviously looking for any sources of funding they can. And that is what is happening here in downtown Raleigh. I want to kind of show you the setup right here. This is Fayetteville Street, right in front of the Marriott. It has been blocked off for at least the last hour. They have these barricades set up. We've seen a strong Secret Service presence, some of the Secret Service canines as well. Looks like there's actually a group walking in right now as well, but we've seen some people that have been staying at the Marriott having to go through this security detector, obviously part of the security that you would normally see for an event like this. The motorcade, it looks like, must have gone into another entrance, obviously trying to possibly whisk the president inside ahead of this fundraiser, but obviously when he leaves, they have these barricades set up. We've seen crowds of people hoping to possibly catch a glimpse of the president or vice president. Maybe when they leave, they may get another shot at seeing that motorcade, but a lot of people here in downtown Raleigh excited, but obviously traffic a concern as well. This area of Fayetteville Street blocked off, so definitely be aware of that as you're heading in downtown Raleigh. Joel?
It is not every day that you get to see a president and the vice president in your town. That playing out right now in downtown Raleigh after we watched it here in southeast Raleigh. Tom George in downtown for us covering the president's fundraiser. Let's bring in Akilah Davis now. She was inside the Chavis Community Center as the president and the vice president were speaking. Let's get the update from her. Akilah.
Yeah, you know, North Carolina continues to play a critical role in this upcoming election, Joel. I can tell you affordable health care was on the mind of the president and vice president's agenda this afternoon. The Biden-Harris administration calling health care a right and not a privilege here at Chavis Park in South Raleigh. It was the purpose of this visit, and we saw the president and vice president energizing voters here around this issue, even celebrating the 14th anniversary of the Affordable Care Act. The White House says the fight for this administration continues around health care as it works to increase access to mental health care, cap out-of-pocket prescription drug costs, and close the coverage gap. Remember, North Carolina is playing a crucial role in this upcoming presidential election. The last time the Tar Heel state went blue was in 2008 when former President Barack Obama was elected. President Biden and VP Harris talking health care today because they say it's something that impacts everyone. Here's what they said about making health care more accessible and affordable.
80% of the folks on the ACA plan can get a plan for $10 a month. $10 a month. 21 million people covered under ACA, a 75% increase just since Kamala and I came to office.
We cut the cost of prescription drugs for millions of seniors. We expanded access to Medicare and Medicaid. We made the largest investment in youth mental health in history.
All right, and hecklers interrupted the president's speech by calling for a ceasefire in Gaza as they were being escorted out of the building. The president told them they had a point. Ahead at 6, we are hearing more from the administration and what they're saying about more Americans having health care now than ever before. Joel?
Akilah, those Free Palestine demonstrators were inside the hall this afternoon. They were also outside greeting the president's and the vice president's motorcade as they made their way inside Chavis. Akilah Davis there covering that for us. Akilah, thank you.